Hey everybody, welcome back to Hugh's Garage. Today I'm going to show you how to change out the battery on your 2019 Ram 1500 as well as your 2020 Ram 1500. Now this also works for the 2500s, 3500s, 5500s, any key fob that looks like this. Now on some models you will have a different battery type, and I'll put that in the link below, but the process is still going to be the same. So let's get started. Alright, the first thing you're going to do, get you a little flathead. Take your key fob, take the key out. Take the key out. Get it in focus for you. You'll see a spot right here as well as right there. You're going to take the flathead in there, just kind of pry it, as well as over here. Pry it. Pops the whole piece open. Okay. Then you're going to slide down just like it says, and it takes that old battery out. Then you're going to put the new battery in, which is a 2450 in this case. I got one already open for us. Pop it in. Alright. Slide that in. You're going to slide it up when you put it back in. Then, just going to put the case right back on. Make sure you're secure. Put the key back in, and you're good to go. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.